In this video, we'll go through the data types in Tableau. There is dimension, measures, discrete, and continuous. Let's first go through what are dimensions and measures. Dimensions are categorical data. They are the qualitative data. And measures are numerical values that can be aggregated. They are the quantitative data. So for example, in this data set, we have segment, which is a dimension, and we can aggregate the sales, which is a measure. So here what we get is that measure sales has been aggregated by the dimension, which is segment. And the segment here are the category of data. To identify which is a measure and dimension, we can see it from the data pane over here. Over here, the ones above the gray line are dimension, and the one below it are measures. In the versions before 2020.2, these data fields are labeled as measures and dimensions. However, in the newer versions, they are no longer there to support grouping by tables and folders. So next, let's go through the concept of discrete and continuous. So discrete are individually separate and distinct. Continuous means forming an unbroken whole without interruption. So in Tableau, this is represented by the colors. The blue pill here refers to discrete, and the green pill here refers to continuous. So the best example to demonstrate this concept is by using dates. So let's do that. Let's take dates. Okay, so right now, what we are seeing is that this pill here is blue, which means it is a discrete data. And we can see that the sales are now grouped into buckets of separate months from January to December. So again, discrete data are individually separated and distinct. They are grouped into the distinct buckets of data. So now let's take a look at what happens when we change this to a continuous data. So now you can see that this color actually changed to green, and the axis here becomes longer. So what we are seeing here is that there is an unbroken data without interruption. We see the full range of data here from January 2017 to December 2020.